Look, Belle, I know you can feel overwhelmed with all that's happening. Hindi kita masisisi. Alam ko, malaki ang agwat ng edad natin. Pero, natutuwa ako kasi pag nakikita ka at nakakasama, gumagaan ang pakiramdam ko. Belle, hindi ako masamang tao. Hindi ako mapagsamantala. And I want you to know, I don't expect you to do anything that you're uncomfortable with.
Sa totoo lang po, Sir Chito, this is also hard for me. Pero, ginagawa ko po ito para sa parents ko.
And I respect you deeply for that. Mabuti kang tao. Mabuti kang anak. That's why I want to make it clear. You are not expected to do anything that you did not sign up for.
Totoo po?
Sinabi ko naman sa'yo, di ba? Hindi ako masamang tao. Gusto ko lang, tuwa na ako makasama ka. And hopefully, be your friend.